Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting Live Photo on. Tap the yellow live icon so your iPhone records motion and audio. This gives context and atmosphere. Compose tightly, use the grid, and lock exposure/focus by holding on the subject. That prevents blur. Once you press the shutter, keep the phone steady for about 1.53 seconds so the clip captures the cleanest frames. This step matters because live photos store extra frames that let you pick a better still or make short edits. Next, you open the Photos app and tap the live photo to edit. This is where you refine the moment. Tap Edit, then Key Photo, and drag the frame picker to set the exact still you want to present. This chooses the primary image viewers see. Once done, make exposure and color corrections so the motion and still match. Crop if needed to improve composition. Make sure to save changes because live edits preserve the original motion for later tweaks. Finally, decide how to share. You can export the file as a live photo, create a loop or bounce effect, or export as a short video for platforms that don't support live photos. To convert, use the share sheet or duplicate as still photo so you have both formats. If things go wrong, no live capture or missing motion, restart the camera app, free at least a few hundred megabytes of storage, and make sure your iOS is current. These fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.